Have you ever felt stuck, watching others make money online while you're still figuring out where to start? Well, what if I told you that you could start making money today using artificial intelligence with zero coding, zero experience, and almost no upfront investment? In this video, I'll show you 5 real ways people are making serious money using AI in 2025. Stay until the end, because the last one might just change your life. Number 1, automated content creation. Companies and creators are making thousands by offering AI-powered content writing services. Tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, or even ChatGPT can write blogs, emails, social media posts, and product descriptions. Businesses are paying for this every single day. This is a skill you can start offering immediately, with AI doing 80% of the work. Number 2, AI graphic design. You no longer need to be a professional designer. Platforms like Cambulba and Leonardo AI use artificial intelligence to create logos, YouTube thumbnails, business cards, and social media posts. Thousands of small business owners are searching for affordable designs. And with AI, you can deliver professional, quality work in minutes. Number 3, AI data analysis for businesses. Small businesses are drowning in data, but have no clue how to use it. You can offer AI-powered data analysis services. Help businesses understand their customer behavior, sales trends, and marketing performance using free or affordable AI tools. This is a high-demand skill, and almost nobody is offering it at the small business level. Number 4, AI chatbots and virtual assistants. AI chatbots are revolutionizing customer service and sales. With tools like ManyChat or ChatGPT API, you can build automated chatbots for online stores, websites, or even Instagram. Businesses pay hundreds to thousands of dollars for chatbot setup, and AI does the heavy lifting. And finally, number 5, AI courses and consulting. Believe it or not, teaching what you know about AI is big business. You can create a simple course or offer consulting to entrepreneurs, creators, or small business owners looking to leverage AI. Platforms like Udemy, Gumroad, or even YouTube itself allow you to sell that knowledge, and the demand keeps growing every single day. Listen, AI is not the future. AI is now. People who understand this will build wealth. Those who ignore it will be left behind. If you found value in this video, smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, because every single week I'll show you how to build income streams, grow your wealth, and leverage AI for financial freedom. This is Cashflow Empire, and your journey to financial freedom starts here.